Good evening everyone. This is from 5th class. This is Nagaraju. He is Nagesha character. He is Komali. He is Ashwini's character. She is Deena, Jyotimi's character. They are students. I am principal. Now we are starting skits.
Sister is
Good morning. Thank you, Miss Lomi. Teacher can నిన్న హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చినాక ఎందుకు రాయలేదు? అబద్ధాలు చెప్తా. రియల్ మిస్ సహస్ర నువ్వు నిలబడు. హోంవర్క్ ఏది? లేదుగా. అమూల్య you also not written the homework. Power gone, miss. Don't say lies. Mic 3. You your notebook. Buy new one book. Stand up. Snehita sister. Where's your Telugu homework? Not written, madam. Why? Power gone. All number students gone power. Okay, come principal madam. Come. Where is stick? Nagesha stick. Coming or not coming? Come in. Come. Madam, they are not written the homework. Why are you not wrote the homework? Madam, book over, madam. All numbers saying reasons. Power gone and book over. Not able, madam. Now only say no. They wrote. Nihita, why are you not wrote? Power is there yesterday. Called and asked her. Your mother sir called and asked her. Asked. Why are you not written, Amulya? Here. What is that? Sister, you? Oh. Sahasra. Forgot, madam. Why are you forgot? Are you forgot eating? Bell is over. Now we'll answer. Good morning, sit down. Homework not to do, stand up. Why are you not reading only homework? How much taken came you? 5th class by total 18,000 taken came. You is that sister? You sister? 16,000 madam. 12,000 madam. My father tomorrow coming lecturing madam. Right. You are not doing homework. You are not doing homework, Tamaya. I'm not sure, Gana. I'm not. Writing one day more excuse. You are why not you saying that? I'm not sure. Sir, I'm birthday today. Chocolate giving purpose going up.